Hi everyone, welcome to the video 7 of our series where we show how to create your own AI based manga and comics using mangagen.io. In the last video, we had seen how to make use of the feedback feature, and in today's video, we'll be seeing the additional feature known as edit image. So first of all, feedback feature is needed when you are not satisfied with the image and want to make changes in the image such that you need a new image to be created. Whereas edit image works that you are satisfied with the image but you want to enhance the same image. So that is the two differences between these two. So in today's discussion, I'll be using edit image feature, and for that, again, I have three cases. In this first case, what we'll try to see that the effect looks okay on this card, but what I want to do is I want to make this card give a flaming effect. Since this card holds Igni, I want to provide a flaming visual effect. So let's put that in the feedback. In this image, the glowing card should be glowing with a bright flaming visual effect. So this is our main line of change that we need, and for in order to keep everything the same, we also add this line. Rest everything remains unchanged. So this time I'll click on edit image, and yeah, edit image request has been submitted. Then I have three cases. So the second one is this, that in this case, what's happening is that the card is shining and Igni is about to come up, and here Igni has come out. So let's add some sort of maybe clouds or some sort of visual effects that show that is Igni has come out of the card. So in this image, the there are some uh, flame clouds visual effects surrounding the orange monster on the right side. Rest everything remains unchanged. And we click on edit. Yeah. So this is so these were two cases, and for the last case I have picked a different type of case. So I have picked essentially this image. Now this image looks fine and there is nothing wrong with it. I just also want to add a line, say level 2. Level 2 of this Pokemon beneath this earth type magic. So I'll say in this image add the text level 2 at the bottom of the spell books page. Rest everything remains unchanged. And I click on edit image, and again my edit image request is sent. So in this entire process, it usually takes around 1 minute of time, and I think our first image should be done. So let's quickly go to that. Yeah. Yeah, I think we should be done. Let's reload the page once. Uh, yeah. So this is how the image appears when it has been edited. You can see the preview in the preview option, but when click on the edit panel, we can still see the original image. So the purpose of this is that in case we do not like the edit, okay, so we can just click on cross and the image will not be saved because we are still storing our original image. And in case we do like the edit, then we can click on the approve button. And this does give me a flaming effect. So yeah, this seems a bit better than the original. So I'll just click on approve, and edited image has been approved. So let's just reload it. Oh, yeah, so it's actually a saved image. Just my bad. We'll go back into the panel. We'll see that it's already a saved image, but our new image is showing up with the flaming effect. We'll just quickly save the dialog and finalize the image. And here we have the new image. This one also looks neat. We have the flaming cloud effect that shows that Igni has popped up from the card. So I'll go and approve this. Again, we'll go to edit panel and save, finalize. If we'll reload it again. So yeah, we have the effects. And then we go towards the bottom and towards panel 25, where we have our textual change. And yeah, it is popping up. Every of the text remains, the previous text remains as it is, and I can see level 2. So yeah, so it works. I'll approve this. Yeah, and in this image, it was yet to be approved because I am like still yet to add dialogues to these. So we can see that the change is directly incorporated in the overview. Level 2 here, if we'll just go into the edit panel, again level 2. Yeah, so this was all about the edit image feature, and just a slight difference or a last one-liner which I would like to quote is, so if we come to panel 6, if you might remember in the edit image uh, text I had mentioned that the change has to be applied on the orange monster instead of mentioning Igni. Whereas in the feedback, I always mention the character name. So difference is that feedback makes use of memory and hence you can directly input the character name. But edit image is just directly using or just making the changes on the image. So there is no concept of memory in that. So we can just if I want to make changes in Leo, I'll just mention the boy sitting on the left or the silvered haired boy sitting on the left. So that should work as an identifier. Else, edit image and feedback are pretty much similar, but these are very important features which helps to build the comic as we need them. So yeah, this was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe if you found our content interesting and helpful. And thanks for watching. Let's meet in the next video. So thanks everyone.